Alright, let's start another day. And by the way, I'm already feeling like I'm going to take a loss for today. But let's start with the market condition and how it is going on right now in daily. So currently we are sitting at this one. Overall structure is bullish. It has been a pullback, and yesterday price has engulfed this previous thing and end up creating a bullish order block from which I do expect a bullish move. Either it is more likely to be on this toward this where or somewhere around here, maybe this extreme order block, I don't know. So that's the thing on daily. Now let's take a look at the h4. H4 is also the same thing. Price has been bearish, create this order block. Yesterday reacted from that order block but ended up being broken above. Now created this one and now reacting from here. So yeah, everything is going well in h4 as well. Now let's take a look at the h1, which is quite an interesting one because you can see we do have literally everything, such as starting from this fairly gap, we went bullish, take this liquidity, shift bullish again. I mean, overall bullish. Now last but not least is M15. Now the question is where from I will execute from. So last three Friday I've been missing out in Euro USD mostly. So for today, either execution would be much better from this order block, just simply like this, or like this. I'm thinking about putting an limit order in this one, and then we will be looking for more. So I have two plans. One is my order is going to be around this one while putting my SL below here somewhere. So if price tap here and move, then okay, it's good, luckily. But if not, then what I do as a backup plan is if price move around this order block and then create an engulfing candle, that is where I will be executing while putting my SL below this one. So yeah, that's the plan for today. So let's see how it turn out. And you can see today is Sunday afternoon, and obviously market had just closed at Saturday and Friday night. But still, yesterday I didn't done anything in the market. I just took a day off. Obviously, it was a very fucked up day yesterday. But anyways, today, as I have planned on Friday to go long after having liquidity around either this one. I mean, I wasn't expecting to have a. Oh, let me. I wasn't expecting to have taken the liquidity, whole liquidity, because price has already taken that during London, and then also shift the structure in London. So New York will be as I thought, just to continue, and it was a continuation. But I were I was about to execute if I get a price toward this order block, but it just moved from this fairly gap, then retested, take liquidity, and I was so blinded by the perfection that I end up missing the next wave as well. I mean, the next wave is this one, was this one. So if the liquidity around this whole order block, and then price went bullish. But what I were planning is to have entry in this order block. First, my plan was to have entry in this order block at my session open, miss the whole move, and then when price were making this one, I will keep checking the RSI whether it is a reversal or not. Fortunately, it wasn't a reversal, it was just a pullback. And yeah, price took this liquidity. I was watching, I mean, when price were here, I was watching that it is coming, but still I would just let's wait and catch a big move. End up having nothing yesterday, I mean, on Friday. But still, it would have. been a good one if I put my entry there as well below this one while having my TP maybe 2 hour easily. Okay, can say anything about this one. I mean, I've been missing for like a 4. Yeah, it's been 4 Friday that I've been missing Friday price action. I mean, it's quite interesting. Sip of liquidity and then just respect of the levels toward the direction. So yeah, that's pretty much it on this one. And this week has been a good one, I would say. I mean, other than these are the days where I really fucked up. It was Thursday, good continuation. I will calling this pullback. Fucked up. This one was also a good day, but still it was FNC, which is why I reduced my risk so much that I end up becoming greedy when price moved here. My second entry got hit, and I also got out so fast because my asset was around this area. But my system worked on that day. I think this one, I would say it was a quick jump. I mean, I just suddenly jump in as soon as I saw this break retest. I was expecting a retest, but RSI was showing that there is a weakness in sell move. And there comes the next first Monday. After this, I thought I would be reducing my risk on Monday because usually Monday just happen like this. So I would like to reduce my risk on Monday from now on. Okay. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And see you next day tomorrow.